Okay.
Hey, it's me, Cameron. And we about to show this house in my crib, dog. Come on. My patio, you know what I'm saying? Like a candle right her, candle right her. So when I be like, come on, I put my table right her. Get my girl right her. Then right her. Turn around. Right her. Make out right here.
Just going to daddy, so
Take it to my room right there. To see my baby upstairs.
he gonna see it.
Go to the abortion clinic like her. Get the baby out like her. Never see her again like her.
Okay, daddy. This is the patio. Up and down. You already seen it from the bottom. Let me go show you again. That's the step, 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 step. And then
Sorry.
everything.
You gotta
That's
turn around.
Cameron, leave me alone.
Do a 360 like everything. You ain't even showing him
Okay.
everything.
And that's the patio. This little barn shed to put the lawnmower. This is the house, the back of the house with the patio. That's the biggest patio back there. That's the little garden area. The garden there, the big tree, the little trash pile right there that they're gonna get up in a minute. The little trash pile right there, they're gonna get up in a minute. The little sides, the little sides, up there, bam, 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 bam. And Daddy, you wanna see something? You wanna see something? You wanna see something? Daddy, do you wanna see something? There was a dead snake, Daddy. A snake, a dead snake. I don't want no snakes in my house. Bye.